Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create quote in Zoho CRM. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, head over to the Zoho CRM website and log into your account. Once you've successfully logged in, go to the Contacts section. This is where all your leads and customer information are stored. Creating a quote usually begins with an existing lead or contact, so scroll through the list to find the one for whom you want to create a quote. After selecting your lead, locate the Quotes section, which is typically found toward the bottom of the lead's information page. Click on New to create a new quote. Here, you'll enter key details such as the quote subject and the products or services you're offering. Make sure to include all relevant details, product names, quantities, pricing, and any specific terms or conditions that apply. Once everything looks correct, click Save to store your newly created quote in Zoho CRM. This quote will now be linked to the specific contact or lead you selected and can be reviewed, sent to the client, or edited later if needed. And that's it. So that is how you can create quote in Zoho CRM. So that's all for this video. Thanks.